Okay, so for most of this, we're going to use some of the pre-made royal icing flowers, but I thought I'd show you how to do some fondant ones. Obviously, the fondant plunger ones are easy. The royal icing ones, I'm sure a lot of you already know how to make, like the daffodil and these little flowers here, things like that. There's a smaller one. And then the little sugar eggs that are like this, which are made in royal, which you usually just purchase from a cake shop. So it's easier just to kind of get some of these. What I do though, if I want to make my own kind of daffodil out of, like a fake daffodil kind of out of fondant, then roll this out and then take, where's that one that's more, the calyx cutter is what I want. Like that. Use the back of a paintbrush to kind of pop it out. And then you can put it in your hand if you want. Use the back of a paintbrush, and in here you want to push and roll back and forth, and then pinch that petal. Okay, in here, back and forth, kind of pinch that petal together. Like that. Pinch that, and then just take a little piece of the yellow here, like this. So you roll it into a ball, and then put your finger kind of over half, so it's a little thinner there. That way when you put some water here, put that in the middle, and then push right through the center, and open it up. So it's kind of like a fake little daffodil. Fondant one. Okay, and this one I thought we'd just go ahead and use the pre-made things just so show you how easy that is. Royal icing with a tip 233, okay, which is the grass tip. You could do leaves instead if you wanted, and just need to start kind of popping kind of down here, because these are kind of, some of these are rather large flowers, so actually we've got some smaller ones over here that are all pre-made too. Let's see, get some lavender in here, huh? Okay, so you put one like here, so we'll have some, sometimes it's easier to kind of see where you're going to put them and then pop it on, and then add more grass and stuff. I'm going to get some Easter eggs in here too. So let's see, we'll do. So even if you make your own royal icings, it's nice then that you could make them ahead of time and then just pop these all on. Have a little egg sticking up here. Just have to make sure. Looks like I left some paper on this egg. Uh-oh, don't want that. Oh, I need another big purple one over here. So these are just salt flowers. If you made them, you would just use like a really small 101 or 102 tip. It's from the rose family. Look at it from the front. Oh, that's pretty. There you go. There's our little spring basket.